T-cell development and maturation. T-cell development occurs in thymus. It all started when the hematopoietic stem cells in the bone marrow developed into lymphoid progenitors and myeloid progenitors. These T-cells are produced by lymphoid progenitors. These immature thymocytes migrate to the thymus to complete their maturation into functional T-cells. In the thymus, T-cells develop their specific T-cell markers, including TCR, CD3, CD4, or CD8, and CD2. T-cells also undergo thymic education through positive and negative selection. At thymus secrete chemokines that attracts the immature T-cell to the thymus and complete the maturation. Double negative or D-end stage. Common lymphoid progenitor, initially CD3, CD4, CD8, will broken down into DN1, DN2, DN3, and DN4. DN1 cell expresses into RAG1 and RAG2 into DN2 cell. Beta chain D, J gene segments splice together into DN3 cell. V gene segment combines with DJ gene segment by VDJ recombinance into VDJ gene segment bond to microgene segment into DN4 cell. The functionality of beta chain is tested by binding to the invariant 3T alpha chain into, if successful, the cells will proliferate. Double positive stage. Daughter cells express CD3, CD4, CD8. Single positive or SP stage. Central tolerance eliminates potentially self-reactive cells by positive-negative selection. Self-reactive cell elimination failure will cause autoimmunity. Positive selection. T-cells recognize or bind to self-MHC molecules, where T-cells with CD4 recognize MHC2. T-cells with CD8 recognize MHC1. Binding failure will cause apoptosis. Negative selection. Autoimmune regulator gene allows primary lymphoid organs to express antigens normally found throughout body, aids in testing self-reactivity. T-cells won't recognize normal body cells. Excessively strong binding to self-antigens will also cause apoptosis. Helper T-cell development. T-cell CD4 molecule is exposed to other body cells that have MHC2. Stimulate the cell to downregulate the production of CD8. It will be developed into helper T cells. Cytotoxic T cell development. T cell with CD8 molecule binds to a cell with a HemHC1. The cell will be stimulated to downregulate the production of CD4. It will be developed into cytotoxic T cells.